No jobs. Yes, there is no jobs for humans in future because here comes a AI tool which does the works which human does.
This AI tool is called chatgpt. This will literally rule the future.
So there are 10 such jobs which is going to be replaced by this chat GPT in future. In fact, this is suggested by chat GPT itself.
Number 1.
Data entry clerk.
They are also known as data preparation and control operator. And this data is going to be entered by them into a system or on a paper, but this job is going to be replaced by chat gpt in order to increase the speed and accuracy.
Number 2, customer service representatives. They work directly with customers to provide assistance, resolve complaints, answer questions, and process order. This is going to be replaced by ChatGPT in order to communicate efficiently. Number 3, proofreader. They actually ensures the content is free of typographical, grammatical, spelling, punctual, syntax, formatting, and other such errors. And this is going to be replaced by this AI tool easily, so it gives attention to details perfectly.
Number 4, paralegal. This is replaced in order to research and organize in a super fast way. Number 5, bookkeeper. This actually helps in improving the mathematical skills. It gives the answers in fraction of seconds. Number 6, translator. There is no need of translator if this AI tool is replaced, because this tool translates any language into seconds and give the results. Number 7, market research analyst. This reaches the market, analyze the market in fraction of seconds and gives us the scenario of the market. Number 8, recruiter. This is going to be replaced in order to conduct interviews and select a person for the company. Number 9, news reporter. This will replace the news reporter and give us the instant news at that moment itself. Number 10, social media manager. This will replaced by the AI in order to give the specific content, and it gives the content creation as well.